Welcome to the dynamic universe of Starksport. I am your guide today and I'm thrilled to shed light on the marvel that is Starksport and its significance in the world of crypto. Imagine a full-stack DeFi platform that operates on blockchain networks, encapsulating a comprehensive incubation center. That's Starksport for you. It's not just a platform, it's a service provider offering an array of specialized services like IDO Launchpad, NFT Auction, Marketplace, and Exchange. Starksport currently thrives on the Starknet Chain, but we're not stopping there. We've got plans to branch out to all major blockchain networks, beginning with the zkEVM chain. This strategic move aims to maximize user value and facilitate access to DeFi platforms in the most straightforward, secure, and cost-effective manner. Starksport leverages the sharing economy model for profit sharing, establishing itself as the optimal bridge linking users and application products to blockchain networks. Our mission is clear: to amplify our users' financial freedom and access. But what sets Starksport apart is that it's more than just a platform. It's a community that thrives on camaraderie, growth, and the shared vision of shaping the future. We welcome you to join us on Discord and be a part of this exciting journey. In summary, Starksport is a game-changing DeFi platform on blockchain networks, offering specialized services and bridging the gap between users and blockchain networks. It's not just a platform, but a community dedicated to fostering financial freedom and growth for its users. Welcome aboard the Starksport journey. Stay tuned for more enlightening information, and remember, our Discord community awaits your presence. I am your guide, signing off for now, but eager to welcome you back for more insights into the world of Starksport. Until next time.